Welcome to Supply Chain Talks. My name is Noman Ali. I'm an engineer who ended up luckily in supply chain around 18 odd years back. So I have been in the profession of supply chain for now 18 years, alhamdulillah. A little about myself. I am basically from Karachi, Pakistan, but now I am based and residing in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. On a professional side, I have been associated with different industries and organizations in the field of supply chain, namely Sanofi Aventis, now it's more known as Sanofi, Unilever, with Coats PLC, with Siemens, with Sherwin-Williams. So this is my professional background. So now coming to what is Supply Chain Talks? Well, Supply Chain Talks is my way of saying thank you to the experiences or to whatever that I have learned on my journey of 18 years till date, and giving back to the community, to the supply chain professionals, to the students, to young enthusiasts into this field, sharing of my knowledge with all of you guys. Now, what are my plans for Supply Chain Talks? What can you expect from this channel? Well, basically, the core idea is talking. I will be talking to you through this channel regarding different topics of supply chain. What I believe in is that we should stick to basics. We need to strengthen our basics in anything that I do, and then only we will be able to flourish in that subject, domain, field, project, anything. So my core idea is to stick to basics. I will be talking about basic topics, sharing my experience, trying to clarify these simple concepts, the definitions of different areas in supply chain. So that is the basic theme of this channel. And in addition to this, I'm planning to have supply chain talks also with one-on-one discussions with supply chain industry leaders. Not just industry leaders, but I plan to have people from academia who have been training our new generation of supply chain professionals. So that would be an aspect of these supply chain talks. And thirdly, which I really hope to do, is to have panel discussions on this channel, to call in experts from different industries, talk about different current issues, different dynamics of supply chain, the industry trends, and followed by hopefully Q&A session with the people who participate in those panel discussions. So that is what you can and hopefully will get out of this channel. So I request you all to please subscribe to this channel, to share this YouTube channel with your peers, with your colleagues, with your family and friends, so that more the better, the maximum people can take benefit from this channel. So thank you again, and I will be sharing my first content related to supply chain pretty soon, inshallah. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.